We have unboxing of Amazon basic iPhone charger, or iPad charger, or an iPod. Okay, frustration-free packaging? No. I'm kidding. All right. Actually, not too bad. Actually, they do consider this frustration-free. Unlike these right here, which I did unboxing. I should check out the video if you want. Okay, actually, it feels premium to be honest. Okay. This is aluminum feel, and this is a nice texture feel. There's a little sticker. Velcro. Feels pretty decent. This is the 3 feet one. I don't like those long cables, so these are fine for me. This actually feels pretty good. Not bad for what, $9.99 or $12.99. Yeah, this one's $12.99. Has a good feel to it. It feels, believe it or not, it actually feels premium. Like it's premium, but yeah. All right, well there you have it. It's pretty simple. This is 3 feet. Amazon Basics Lightning to USB connector for the iPhone, iPad, or iPod. All right, thanks for watching. This is really like simple, boring unboxing. It's just literally just but believe it or not, people actually look stuff up like me. Where if I find something on Amazon or something, I'll like do a review. And here's the thing, just so you guys know, if I come back and do another review after testing it out, and what I'll do is, if let's say, I don't know, let's say a year from now or 6 months from now something breaks, or like a month from now it stops working, what I'll do is I'll go back to this video that you're watching right now. I'll do an update video and I'll link it at the end of the video, update the description, and so you guys look at the description, you guys see the link at the end of the video giving an update. So if you don't see that in the updated in the description, and you don't see it at the end of the video where I do the end screen and you see the link to the updated video, that means it's fine still. Because I'm real quick. As soon as I see something, I review a product and it's wrong, something goes wrong or breaks, I'll go immediately. I'm doing updated review and I immediately go back to that video. It's like that. People who watch the video, they'll say, okay, he didn't update it. Okay, he's good. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Take care.